Another day, another model from our most recent aircraft delivery from my favorite dealer/pusher. Today's aircraft is the 1/400 scale Gemini Jets, Trans World Airlines, also known as TWA, McDonnell Douglas MD-83 in the twin red stripe livery of the 1980s. Gemini Jets produced this aircraft in 2023. The aircraft was powered by two Pratt & Whitney JT8D low bypass turbofans, with each engine able to generate up to 21,000 pounds force or 93 kilonewtons. Each aircraft has a passenger capacity of up to 155 passengers, depending on class arrangement and layout. This aircraft has standard cruise speed of 448 knots or 830 kilometers an hour, with a range of just over 2,500 nautical miles or around 4,700 kilometers. Originally, this MD-83 was delivered to Trans World Airlines in September of 1987 with a registration of November 9303K, a registration that would carry for the entirety of its 16-year-long paying career. Initially, the aircraft wore the standard two-stripe livery that TWA aircraft wore in the 1980s. After 1995, the aircraft would be repainted in what would become TWA's last independent livery, the Golden Globe livery. This would survive until the TWA and American Airlines merger in late 2001. Soon after the merger, this aircraft was repainted again with the classic American Airlines red, white, and blue cheat line livery that American Airlines had from 1968 to 2013. After a couple years of service with American Airlines, the aircraft was placed into storage at Roswell International Airport and then scrapped at an unknown date. Please let your friends and family who collect know about our channel and spread the word. And as always, thank you and like and subscribe. If you want to keep up with our video feed, please hit that black subscribe button below your screen. Right now, over 80% of our viewers are not subscribers, so if you don't want to miss one of these videos, please subscribe. If you want to watch other videos on our channel, please select one of the links shown here. Thank you, and good day.